Hi, this is Jagaspurti. Welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe and watch my videos fully. In this video, I am going to share you guys how to write a professional effective emails. Here I am going to share my tips and tricks which help you to draft a email in effective and impactful way in a professionally. If you are interested, please keep watching my video fully. Daily I'm getting lots of emails from many people, but I won't get feel to open it at all. My motivation to do this video is came from there. People who write very impactful and powerful lines in a email which makes me to open the emails and reply for those. So, if you are not getting a replies for your email means you are doing some wrong things. Either the approaching format and writing a story of the body and many more things. If you want your email compiling which makes other people's to read and reply for your mail means you must follow some rules and regulation in a professional way. Here I am going to teach you those step by step. Here know about 5 steps to write a excellent emails in a professional way. Number 1. Salutations or greeting. Number 2. Opening a sentence. Number 3. Body of the email. Number 4. Closing a sentence. Number 5. Signature. Let's know about these 5 steps in a details. Salutations are greetings. It includes hi, hello, these kinds of words in it. It's an expression of good wishes in the beginning of the mail. Here let's know about in details about salutation or greeting. For example, we can use as good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends upon the timings which you are mailing. Good morning, Mr. of the person last name. For example, Ratan Tata. We can use Mr. Tata. Also, we can use only hello, Miss of the person last name. Dear Miss of the person last name. Also, you can try as Mr. last name. A very good morning or good afternoon. If the person is very close to you, you can just use hey of the person first name. After the greeting of the mail, we should do opening a sentence. It's a first line of the mail is for setting the tune of the mail. It also help you to catch your recipient attention in a better way. Here are the some example for opening a sentence in detail. How are you? Hope you are doing well. If it's a starting of the week, Monday, you can use as I hope you had a great start of the week. And also, I trust you are doing fine. Or I hope you are doing well. Or I hope this mail finds you well. And also, you can try this kind of sentence for opening a mail in a better way. The next step is body of the email. It's a main part of the mail. It includes actual text of the email. Generally you will write normal letter or one or more paragraphs or story to convey the recipient what you want in the mail. Here goes some example to how to start body of the email. I am reaching out about or I am getting back to you about, and also you can try this is follow up from or as discussed in foregoing discussion. These are some examples. You can try these kind of sentences for the body of the email and more. The fourth step is closing sentence. As name indicates, it's a finishing sentence of your email. It's right before the sign off. It's a hint giving to the recipient to what you are expecting from them. Here goes some examples to how to close a sentence in an email. I look forward to hearing from you very soon. Or looking forward to a prompt response. Or also you can try, I did appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. Or please advise as necessary. And also you can use these kind of lines while closing the sentence in a professional email. The last step of the professional email is signature. It's a block of a text at the end of the email which includes your name, professional contact details means name or email, and also LinkedIn ID if you have, and a company branding. Some email signature also contains images, hyperlinks, and clickable call to the actions, and also products and services relevant to the email recipient. Here are some examples to the you can add to the signature: kind regards, thank you, warm wishes, with gratitude, best wishes, yours sincerely, best, cheers, sending you a positive vibes. Thank you for giving your precious time to watch my video. Hope it's helpful for you to communicate in a professional emails. Have a nice day. Bye bye.